I'm here to tell you about the main features of the TPFS mounting system, manufactured by 𝐊𝐞𝐲 𝐋𝐢𝐧𝐤 technology. This product is a state-of-the-art technology solution, offering multiple advantages for your PV installations. The system has simple yet ingenious and sturdy design and consists of several prefabricated elements, such as main floating body, aisles, front and back supports which are connected by screws, nuts and bolts, making installation a quick, simple and trouble-free process. System elements are made from fully recyclable, high-density polyethylene, which makes it light but durable and corrosion-free since it has no metal elements. HDPE is known for its strength and toughness, which allows it to withstand wear and tear from environment, including ultraviolet rays, heavy freezing, chemicals and other negative factors. It offers excellent impact and corrosion resistance properties, which ensures long-lasting and trouble-free service life. The upper surface of floating bodies is anti-skid to ensure the safety of workers during construction. Body corners are made rounded and blunt to avoid damage, for example from scratching by rusty nails or any other protruding objects. The system is virtually maintenance-free, which saves your costs during operation. It can be installed on any suitable water surface with minimum water depth of 0.5 metres, allowing to save the land resources and keeping the solar panels in shadow-free zones, maximising their efficiency. Water environments also provide evaporation cooling effect, which benefits solar modules, reducing the risk of overheating. With high bearing capacity, the average buoyancy is 127 kilograms per square metre. It has a versatile design working with both framed and unframed solar modules, which can be positioned either in portrait or landscape arrays and high mechanical strength. The wind load is up to 216 kilometres per hour, which gives you a perfect solution for your solar energy projects. Confident in the quality of our system, we offer a 15-year warranty. In payment terms, generally we accept 100% TT. LC at site is also available, but we prefer a letter of credit when the amount is more than $30,000. We have a 24/7 customer support service with 24 hours response time, which will be happy to answer all your questions about our products and services. In July 2019, ENF and TÜV Rheinland organised an inspection of 𝐃𝐞𝐲 Technologies factory in Xiamen, Fujian Province, China. As well as touring the factory, the TÜV Rheinland inspector checked many details including production processes and important certificates. Full inspection results can be found on our page on ENF Solar website.